Hi, where's Mama?
Aaron. Are you talking? Tell us a story. Tell us a story.
This is my hand. I like to eat this finger. It tastes pretty good.
Hey, what are you doing? Aaron. Hey. Hi. Boo.
Try to sit up.
Look at you. Look at you. Big boy. Aaron. Aaron. Boo.
Doesn't have quite the bounce that he had this morning.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Falling over.
This morning he was sitting like this. And boom, goes the dynamite.
You gonna roll over? Oops. You gonna roll over? Hello. Hello. What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Is he getting you?
Spiders, spiders.
Here, put him on his tummy and we'll get him rolling over. Oh, wait. Put his other arm out. Show us. Come on, you can do it. Oh, I know. It's so awful. It's so awful. Oh, come on, show us. Are you going to do it? Oh. Oh, you're too tired. Push yourself. You can do it.